Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I've decided to do some passion twists. So you can see my hair, it's still shaggy, so I'm gonna go to the salon and I'll give you all the juicy details on the process and everything. So guys, stay tuned as you see the final look, how it unfolds, and all the full tutorial. All right. Hi guys, so I just came in the salon and here's my stylist. They're going to do my hair. So the hairstyle we're going to do today is a Bohemian Passion twist, and they're going to show you all the steps. So you can meet my stylist here, Winfred, and my other stylist, Helen. Yes, so stay tuned guys, because it's gonna be mwah. Okay. So guys, here I used Passion Twist from Darling Kenya in the color 230. I actually used 2 packs of Passion Twist. They're a bit short, as you can see from the inside, so I had to extend them to make them a bit longer. And I used a 1 pack of Deep Wave. You can see it's Supreme Collection Deep Wave. So that's what I used for the bohos, or the Bohemian, or to make the goddess look. All right, and here guys, I didn't do a tutorial on the tuck outs because I've had so many tutorials about the tuck outs, so I just decided to get straight to the point. So here you can see we are done with the tuck outs already, and now we can get to the main tutorial, which is the passion twist. So if you don't know, if you're a beginner, you don't know how to do the tuck out, you can just watch any of my previous videos. You'll get to see the full tutorial. So at this point, we've done the half head already. So what you're going to do, I'll just show you how it was fixed, and this is called the single installation method. Sorry about that. It's the single installation method, and I love this installation method. It's because it's very light, very painless. So yeah, you can flip your hair afterwards after the fixing is done. So here we use a crochet pin to fix the passion twist here. And also I love this style because it kind of lasts longer compared to the direct fix method. So yeah, so I told them to fix it like this because I prefer it that way. So you can see we take a one small piece to just secure it at the scalp at the bottom. Then you're going to start the twisting. So here guys, when you're doing the twisting, it's a bit different. We're tightening the passion twist first, and then you're going to twist it loosely at the end, and I'll tell you why in a minute. All right, so first we're going to show you how to add the deep wave so that we get that bohemian look. So you can see here we've added the deep wave just like that, and then you're going to release it after a while, after it's properly secured. All right, so make sure you've secured your deep wave before you take it out again, like how it's done in this video. So yeah, don't go with the deep wave all the way down. So we're just going to release it just like in the video, and remember we are still tightening the twist up to where the natural hair ends, and then afterwards it's all about just crisscrossing, like twisting it loosely. I think you are seeing what is being done here. We're not doing the tightening at the end because we want to get the bouncy curly look. So that is how the passion twist is supposed to be done. We just follow the curls up to the end. Do not bother about the tight twisting. And here you've seen that we've added a more hair piece so that we make it a bit longer. If you want it longer than this, you can still achieve it by just doing the same thing, adding up to the size that you want, or you can get longer passion twists. We have them at the market, but this is what I was able to get that day. I wanted matching colors, color 230, so I had to work with what was available. Okay, so yeah, that is how you do the fixing, and then I'll show you what it's gonna be done at the end so that we make sure it's a neat ending, so no rough edges or something like that. So yeah, if you're a beginner, remember it's very important that you just follow the curls. Do not tighten the twisting, and then you just trim it at the end like how we done. Okay, and then as for the deep wave, I decided that we should also twist it loosely because I noticed it's gonna be a lot of maintenance, so I wanted it to be so easy. So yeah, that's why we're doing it like that way. And if you're new to this channel and haven't subscribed yet, please do not leave without touching that subscribe button, and remember to touch the post notifications bell so that you get notified every time I post a new video. So here, just going to repeat the same process of fixing the passion twist. So yeah, remember, tighten it up to where the natural hair ends, and then yeah, the rest just do it loosely so that we get that bouncy look. If you don't, it's gonna be straight, very straight up to the end. You won't get the defined curls of the passion twist. Yeah, and also for the deep wave, we also do the same, loosely, loose twist. Yeah, that's how I can put it. And then do not forget also to trim at the end. Yeah, and I found it to be very easy in terms of maintenance once we did like this way, so I didn't get it to tangle so much. Yeah, and remember, with this hair, you have to, yeah, when you're sleeping, you have to wear your satin bonnet so that it makes it easier each morning to just wake up and just style it and go. Okay, so yeah, it takes some maintenance, but yeah, so that's it from me today, guys. I didn't do a lot of it because I just wanted to show you the main part. And here's the final look. You can see I can flip it however I want it. I could style it that moment because there was no pain at all. There was no pain. It was painless. You can see I didn't get the chance to do a lot of styles that this hair can achieve, but there are so many out there. You can just get to check them out online, and you can try the different styles so you can see how cute it came out. And that's it from me today, guys. I hope this tutorial really did help you, and I hope to see you in my next video. So subscribe, and yes, goodbye.